Hi everyone, this is Afsal from Team Hedge Wealth. So today I had a few live trades over here. So the first trade is on Naukri. The reason for making this particular trade was Naukris are having a long build up passed on yesterday's data. So on this one, as you can see that the stock is having a bullish trend and it is having a rejection from a level of EMA line. So that was my entry point. So I just made my entry based on the rejections, and the support level was having a good rejection also. So taking those into consideration, I'm making a long position on Naukri. So let's see what happens. So finally it came to my target. So days high was my target level, but I didn't book it. The reason was expecting the Naukri to give me more move based on the EMA line. But what happened was when I was tracking the index, it was falling. So I had to book a small profit. So guys, this is another trade on Mintree. So I had made my short position at this point around 2157. So I'm expecting the stock to give me a further move on this. So and I'm keeping a stop loss just little bit above the swing high part. So that will be it on the Mintree, and expecting a target something 1 is to 2. So I'm expecting more profit on this Mintree. I'll be waiting for the particular stock to give me a good movement because it is having a short build up. So based on that, I'm expecting something around 1% of profit on this. So let's see what happens. So finally it has given my target. As you can see that it has reached a level of target. So the profit of Mintree is around 1.2%. So based on EMA line, I had ride the whole trend, and so end of the day it has given me a good profit on Mintree. So that will be it on Mintree trade. So let's see on other trades what happened. A short position trade on Navin floor has been executed. So I'm just shorting it aggressively at this point. Again, same like that, the market has given a big drop, and it is forming a bearish Rami kind of pattern. So I'm making a trade little bit early, just expecting the market to give me a breakdown with a smaller stop loss. So let's see what happens on this. Okay, unfortunately, the stop loss got it on Navin floor. I should have waited for the level to get close below the support level. Then I would have avoided the stock if I waited more. But I tried to enter it little bit before the trade was on, like on live. So that was a mistake on this. So let's see what happens on the other trades. So this is another trade on granulas. So I'm making a short position entry right now. So it is based on the market has given a drop down on the second red candle, and third candle has given me a pullback. So that is a point where I made my entry, and I kept my stop loss something closer to the next level of resistance area. So I'm expecting something around 1 is to 2 is my risk reward for this particular trade on granulas. So let's see what happens on this. So Granulas has given me an amazing profit. The profit is around 1.6%. So it has given an amazing drop. So first of all, the stock was moving up. It came closer to my level of resistance, but the candles were getting weaker, and the sellers pressure got into control, and it has given me a good momentum, and the profit has been achieved on this. So this is another trade on Chola Fin. So I made my short position entry at this point. So let's see what happens on this particular trade. I'm expecting 1 is to 2 risk reward of trade. So basically I made my entry, and a stop loss is something around 0.5%. So anyway, let's see what happens on this. So I have booked my first half of my profit. Once it has given me a profit of 1%, I have booked half of my quantity. But now it is showing a kind of rejection, but still I'm expecting the stock to give me a drop down based on the EMI line. So yeah, so half of my quantity, so I'll be trailing my stop loss to cost. So that's what I'm going to do. I have booked a 1%, right? So unfortunately the stop loss got hit, so it has given me a drop down, but I didn't book my profit. So I booked my profit on 1%, but the volume got to the opposite side. The buyers were taking in control, so I had booked cost to cost on this Cholafin, and I booked a 1% of profit on a half of the quantity. So that will be it on Cholafin. Thank you. So this is a last trade on Cadillac. So Cadillac seemed to be having a super selling pressure at this point. So I'm making my entry at the level of the black line, which is the level of a support or the resistance level, because that was a swing low. So I can clearly see that the market is having a particular bearish outlook, because the candle is having a good volume and it is has broken the level of support also. So I'm expecting a great move on Cadillac. So let's see what happens on this. So the Cadillac has given a amazing drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to book my profit because it seemed like it is a huge candle. So expecting more drop down. So I'm not going to book any profits right now. I'll try to ride the maximum whatever I can get it on Cadillac, because if it was a smaller candle I would have booked my profit, but it's a huge candle it is coming and a huge drop on pharma sectors also. So I'm not going to book any profit right now. I'm going to try to make the maximum profit on this Cadillac. So end of the day still the Cadillac is on a great profit. I'm going to book my profit like just right now, like once it has given me a small more little bit more drop, I'll just book it. So that will be it on Cadillac. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next videos on tomorrow.